Hey guys, Matt here with Greensward again. I want to talk a little bit about soil sampling today. To me, this is the best way to make your lawn as good as it can be. A soil test is no different than taking a blood test to tell you if you're low in iron or calcium or whatever it may be. The soil test is going to do the same thing. What we look for is base saturation levels, and that's a fancy word for just a percentage of certain nutrients and how they react in the soil. What we really test for is calcium, potassium, and magnesium. That's calcium like in milk, potassium like in bananas, and magnesium like in Epsom salt. We call our milk and bananas approach. The beauty in that is all three of those nutrients that you can apply have no effect on water quality. So it's the best for the environment, the best for water quality. So it's just an opportunity for you to really understand what's in your soil. So go out, get your soil test, and try to understand if the soil is working for or against you. Keep it green.